Is your cat destroying your furniture? Meet the Cat Tree Tower. Sturdy, easy to assemble, and built to survive even the wildest claw attacks. First up, the Yaheetech 54-inch Cat Tree Tower. This one's a bestseller for good reason. It's got cozy hideouts in different sizes, perfect for multi-cat households, 2 condos, multiple platforms, and those cat ear edges on the top perch. Super cute. Plus, it comes in 9 colors to match your home decor. The dangling balls with bells keep cats entertained, and the sisal-wrapped posts save your furniture. Stability-wise, it's got a reinforced base and anti-toppling straps. If you've got multiple cats who love climbing and napping in their own spots, this is a solid pick. Next, the Made for Pets Modern Cat Tree. This one's all about sleek design and practicality. Made with wood instead of carpet, it's easy to clean and looks super modern. It's got everything cats love: a hammock, scratching posts, a private condo with a cat-shaped door, and even a security strap to keep it stable. Assembly is a breeze thanks to image-heavy instructions. If you want a cat tree that blends with your home's aesthetic while keeping your cats active, this is it. Last but not least, the PETEPELA Cactus Cat Tree. How adorable is this? Designed like a cactus, it's compact but packs in all the essentials: a sisal scratching ramp, a hammock, a condo, and a top perch. It's perfect for small spaces or if you want something playful that adds charm to your room. Assembly takes 15 minutes and the materials are durable. While it's smaller, it still satisfies scratching instincts and gives your cat cozy spots to relax. Great for kittens or single cats in apartments. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.